Hi guys, today we're going to be opening an emoji blind bag. You can get common, rare, epic, and legendary. I want legendary. For the third time we haven't gotten legendary. These are not my OG scissors because I don't know what the other OG scissors are. Says you got what already is this? We got a common, but that's okay. Now let's see our bag. Sorry, these scissors are not working properly. There we go. I'm trying to figure this out. Common heart girl. Can be my sticker. Well, bye. Plus these scissors are betraying me. Really.